Get on the golf cart, BJ. I'll give you a ride.
Okay, buddy. Hey, folks.
Okay, we're here.
We didn't even notice you there.
We're here.
Look what we've got to do. A roasting box.
So, folks, today on Florida Country Living, some people call them a China box, some people call them a Cuban box. They're all the same. I don't know who invented the damn things. There's one thing I do know, it's not called a Chris box, so I didn't invent it. I wish I would have. I got my work gloves on. This is in Spanish.
Don't you know Spanish?
No habla española. Okay. Yes. Oh, it can't be too large.
No, basically just take these two ends right here from what it looked like.
Yes, that's one end. That's the other end.
All right, folks, we're gonna set you up here and let y'all watch us put it together.
Normally, let me show you, BJ. Normally, this goes in the bottom. Catches your grease. Your pig goes on top of that.
And you sandwich it.
And you
That way
sandwich
can
it.
Flip it.
And you wire it together.
Yeah,
that way you can flip it.
And that goes on top.
This
Your heat.
goes right on top. Just like that. And you pile your charcoal up on top of that. And you just let it burn.
That's all for me.
Hit a lower gear and idle it up much higher. Little over 2,000. Put it in like medium, but then don't push it all the way to the floor. And then put it up to like 2,000, 2,100. 2,200. That's a girl on a tractor. Now you're gonna be on. Now you're gonna be on the channel.
On the channel.
You're gonna be on the channel.
You keep saying that, and I've yet to see myself.
Well, we got a new channel going.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Just started it. Florida.
Put that on the channel.
Yeah, we will.
Yep. What's going on there? What are you doing, babe? Out here. Oh yeah. A little bit. I didn't have much. Oh yeah, it's all bluegill for sure. I mean, there'll probably be some catfish,
Oh yeah, later.
but they tend to come up a little later. These are bluegill.
Wrong kind.
What are you doing back there? What's he got?
Oh, he's taking that freaking catnip. He likes the catnip. He's like, that smells good. I actually want to eat that. Doggone. Don't horn me. All right, buddies. Good seeing you.
That'll be a little snack for the night.
Like a vacuum cleaner. Just. Tricky.
Black pepper. That needs black pepper.
Yeah, absolutely.
That'll be real good.
Onion. He's like, look at.
Oh, hey, Miss Perla.
Hi. I need to know.
Mm-hmm.
I need a drink.
Have you seen the masterpiece yet?
Oh wow.
What do you think about that, Perla?
That looks great. Y'all did a great job.
That's probably enough black pepper.
Holy moly.
All right. What else? What else? A little bit of complete seasoning, and we'll top it off with the. Oh, hey, Jasmine.
Hey. Cheers.
That's actually homemade right there.
Yeah, that's homemade. There's a little bit of everything.
Look at that. Goodness gracious. 20 pounds of pork butt, a couple baby backs, all the goodies underneath. It's just doing its thing.
Grab that door, somebody.
What's it now?
This is where we drop it.
It's just doing it twisted a little bit.
All right,
We're
so
gonna go on top of both of these.
set it over here for a second. This is actually made to hold the meat. This is made to catch the grease.
Wait.
But we're putting it on top. We're doing it different because we can.
Is that a pit in there?
It's not. Set this
Making
on
a
top.
fire, huh? You get all these washers.
Yeah, just looking at that. Here we are out here tending to the food. Got to bring you along. Got yeah.
It's kind of paper's kind of burnt on the top there a little bit, but
That's okay.
ribs look good.
Look at those ribs, man.
Ribs are not too far off.
He is just smart.
Let's just take this whole layer off the top. What do you think? Because we're gonna have to pour some mojo on it.
Look at those juices.
Oh man. I mean the veggies are looking good.
Look, it's good.
Yeah, there's a lot of juices in there for sure. Let's probe this fat.
Okay.
Thick part right there.
No, Steve, watch out. Steve.
I mean, it's
Crunchy? Still
It's
crunchy?
done up at the top there, but as you get into it, it's a little
Well, and it flew away now.
close, but it needs a little bit longer, I think.
Well, it was.
Keep doing what you're doing. Turn that camera on, boy. They changed.
You need me to get a piece of wood?
Got it?
Yep.
Oh, Lord.
Done.
Those ribs are coming off right now.
The ribs are definitely done.
You gonna give me a platter real quick, please, for those ribs?
Oh, that's done. 185.
Is it tender?
It's, I mean, it's
Go give me a
probe,
fork, hurry.
probe tender. That's just sliding in there like butter. That one's not quite as tender over there, but it's 183.
Grab some tongs. Jazz, run and grab tongs.
190.
Those are done.
Without you, and I'll be there.
This is what you call 2 slabs of ribs that have disappeared.
Where did they go, Chris?
I'm taking
It's about
Everyone that just walked out of here.
hours.
Here we go, Christopher. Oh man, that is just, look at that. Oh man. Totally just falling apart. All right, now we gotta figure out how to get the rest of this stuff out of here. We'll scoop out with spoons and put it in a pot. Look at that. Oh, look at that, look at that.
Yeah, you might want to let that
Mmm.
veggies cool down. Like I say, that is smoking hot. That's gonna be hard to extract without it just letting it cool down.
This is gonna take a few attempts.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Look at the juice in there. That's just liquid gold right there. We're gonna figure out a way to get all that out of there. We're gonna save it.
That's goodness right there.